Once you've completed the registration for the Informatica Cloud trial for Amazon Redshift, just go to informaticacloud.com and click on this link here to go ahead and sign into the service. So I'm going to log in with the credentials that I just signed up with. And now we're inside of Informatica Cloud. So here the first thing to note is to make sure that you see that there is at least one active secure agent. This should show active within 10 minutes of registration. If you do not see that there is an active agent, please go ahead and submit a support case so that we can go and verify and see what's going on. Alright, but once you have a secure agent up and running, which should be automatic, you can then go off and start configuring your connections to the things that you want to integrate with Amazon Redshift. So to do that, I go to my Configure tab and I choose Connections. Now the first connection that you're going to build for Informatica Cloud is that connection to Amazon Redshift. So I'm going to call this My Redshift. And the type that I will connect to is Amazon Redshift. I'm then going to use the username and password for my database user. And I'm going to use the AWS access and secret keys that I use for normal AWS authentication. I then specify my cluster details. And I'm going to go to the AWS console to get my JDBC URL string. So here I've already logged into my AWS console. I go to Redshift, go to my trial cluster, and simply copy and paste the JDBC URL and put it here. Okay, let's go ahead and hit click test to make sure everything's okay, and then we're all set with my Redshift connection. I can now choose the connection for where I want to pull data out of to load into Redshift. So here, I'm going to actually go, and as you can see, we can connect to all sorts of different databases and file types. And we can also pull from flat files from Amazon S3. But I'm going to go ahead and choose a RDS system that's running SQL Server. So this is my RDS. And I'm going to use my username and password for that database. And to get the host information, I go to RDS, and I take a look at the instances, and I'm going to be pulling data from my demo DB. So if we take a look there, the main thing that I need to specify is the endpoint. So I grab everything except for the colon 1433. So I copy that information, put that in under host. 1433 has already been defaulted there. And I'm going to specify my database name that I'm going to be connecting to. Let's hit test, and we're all set.